everybody that came into this world came here by God's arrangement, by God's design. And that person has an assignment. That person has a will of God that he or she was sent here to fulfill. And for the purpose of that will, God prepared that person a body, not just a physical body. There is a community of people whose lives will be dedicated to fulfilling your vision. That is your family. Did you get what I'm saying? Whatever assignment God gave you in this world, He did not just give you an assignment. He also prepared a community of people whom He gifted, whom He designed to help you fulfill that assignment that God has given to you. That is your body, and that is your family, as we will be looking at. And Jesus was absolutely clear on that. Jesus was very focused. In terms of His relationships, Jesus was very focused. If you go to the book of Matthew chapter 12, verse 30, Jesus said, in Matthew 12:30, He said, "He who is not with me is against me. He who is not with me is against me.